Welcome to Kenton's videos. Enjoy the video.
You begin by setting tempo and sonic palette. Choose 90 to 110 BPM to sit in that jungle groove. Load a vintage electric piano or warm synth pad as your first instrument because it fills mid-range while other parts move. Once done, disable the metronome and prepare a simple drum pattern lane. Make sure input levels are clean and GarageBand is set to 44. 1 kHz. This prevents later pitch or timing artifacts. Record a 2-bar loop to lock the feel and commit to the core rhythm. Now focus on the groove. Program a syncopated drum kit with accents on offbeats and a shuffled 8th tuplet hi-hat feel to create that jungle motion. Add a sub-bass using a sine or Moog-style patch and sidechain it to the kick so the low end breathes. Aim for 3 to 6 decibels of ducking. Layer percussion like congas, shakers, and rim clicks, panning them left and right to widen the stereo image. Make small velocity variations to humanize loops and avoid mechanical repetition. Finish by adding texture and motion. Apply tape saturation and a short plate reverb for space, then use delay throws on 1/4 or dotted 1/8 to accent transitions. Automate a low-pass filter cutoff and resonance to create evolving motion, and arrange drops and fills every 8 to 16 bars so the track breathes. If timing problems show up, quantize lightly or use flex time to preserve feel. And always check bass-phase relationships to avoid muddiness. Fixing phase often solves mysterious low-end loss.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.